Sidiki Conte, the advisory coordinator of the Jelly Sellers organization, speaks about the impact in the life of those selling the jelly and how they use this trade to sustain their lives and support their family.
This business they create much impact in our own life, include to the even outside people that they sell gay. So now for me, they get support my family and the pikin and they go school. Now there they take for pay school fee. Now there they pay for feeding business, everything. In terms of health business, now they are they spend. Now they do everything. Obviously, the advantage is the two boku now the streets where they go and sell, and we would there for even wo they are with them pick here. We did it for control them and give them strict law. Say this thing we they come up with na cutlass. We dey advise them. Then now that make it not easy for let picking person tell you say I don't go get accident with this empty deal. No. We they tell them we don't sell, don't give person. You they put the cutlass under the wheelbarrow. So let not expose that na the chichi wood and the what they give them. Now the advice what they give them. So the advantage is the what they facing. We can go sell give person this tier. And then they take and make nothing. And this thing they do so much impact on the people them life. Now that make even what's how they sell them hospital side them. So we they use them, then they use them for give sick man then they use them USSF where they feel bad. Some man they use it as drip anyway.
The secretary of the Jelly Sellers organization, Alpha B. Conte, reiterated the constraints they face, especially with customers, and also the problem of dustbin and dump site.
So we na self-employment work we dey do. Na lawyer as jelly man. For we now we dey undergo boku constraints there because one, any organization when na self-employment they get a lot of constraints because government are not the same. For that reason, we undergo a lot of constraints. One, we number one constraint, we not get like we rainy season don't cancel. We not get gas them or ice. We not get raincoats where we they use from government. So anything where they happen out of we chances they no more. So now the constraints and they will undergo. We facing a lot of advantages. Cause one, sometimes some person they go call for jelly. Then we go, sometimes you go open them, they say boku water no dey. From there, alala come for them. Which of course this one not only they maker or not a government they maker, nothing made by God. So all that thing then they can't fit among we, the buyers then. So now one advantage is and the way they happen between where then. By the two, this jelly woko they do they take and say we're not a part of Sierra Leoneans. Because one, when they come on at it, you go meet market now. So as you put in real market, will go there. You will hear somebody they tell you say pull on before me, pull on before me. So me, now man is this architect and say something they know because of government don't know but we make them they take and say we know not a part of Sierra Leone we dey. So now then advantages and they will they face. They will also pay tax. They will also pay rates to the government. So with the big city council for let them help with for dustbin place. So now then now constrain too much what we're facing now.
Michael Carbo, a seller, speaks on the importance of the jelly and how it helps others with their health.
Jelly important one. Jelly it help people there now. Jelly we eat it when we drink come it help you. Then we water sorting back for you when you drink come and moving God they help you that side day. So this thing jelly they do. This thing jelly they do more per more man. We eat it when it help you. Now you eat on you take them it is steady. Then we water sorting a system.
A good food item should be priceless to encourage a better and healthy environment. For FTN Top News, I'm Lina Ellis.